Namaste all. Welcome back for our 21 days relationship healing challenge where we heal one relation every day. Thank you very much for practicing with me for so many days. I welcome you all now. Have you been struggling with having a good bond with your in-laws? Maybe your mother-in-law, father-in-laws. You are struggling with that relation. You tried everything, but still you are not able to in tune with them, connect with them. So in this video will be helpful for you. There was a groundbreaking research happened in Nepal. Thousands of families have been involved in this. And then they realized that if any daughter-in-law have a very good relation with her mother-in-law or father-in-law, then the 47% less depression and significantly improvement she will show in her life. She can manage her family very well if she have a good relationship. Today we will be deep dive into all the problems, all the challenges that you are facing with your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, whatever resentment, anger, anxiety you are holding. Let's release that and let's heal it. Okay, we'll start with the Ho'oponopono, of course. Close your eyes, put hands on your heart, and let's imagine you are that in-law, whether you are having a problem with father-in-law, mother-in-law. Imagine their faces in front of you. Or else maybe our in-law family. Just imagine them all. And take responsibility first. I take 100% responsibility for whatever going on in our relation. I take 100% responsibility for all the problems, misunderstanding, judgments, arguments happening between us. I am responsible for it. I take 100% responsibility for any anger, resentment, or whatever is there. I am responsible for the way I feel about you and the way our relationship is. Dear in-laws, I am really sorry. I always judge and I always try to find a fault in you. I always judge you whenever you say something. So dear in-laws, I am really sorry for judging you. I am sorry I never try to understand your point of view. You maybe have something good in it, but I never understood. I always think you are just cursing me, you are just judging me. But now I realize you wanted me to be protected, safe, secure. You want me to have a wonderful relationship with you. And that's why you are trying to improve. Because I know if we love someone, we want that person to improve, get better. And that's why we always give them the suggestions. We always ask them to do things, this and that. Now I understood your intention. It is pure. But I'm really sorry for judging you, blaming you, complaining you. I'm really sorry for hurting you with the bad behavior, bad words. I'm really sorry for thinking very bad about you. Sorry for holding that anger, resentment. I'm really sorry for judging you this way. I'm really sorry for blaming you always and complaining you for small, small things. I put that blame about relationship on you. I'm really sorry. You are just trying to hold entire family as a one. You are trying to unite everyone and stay together. You are trying to improve the love and understanding. But I was having that misunderstanding. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me every time I have hurt you by my words. Please forgive me for holding those negative memories about you, those negative judgments about everything you do. Please forgive me for not understanding your struggle, your journey, and your point of view. Please forgive me. Thank you very much for teaching me where I need to heal, where I need to improve. Thank you very much. Thank you for showing your tough love through your bad behavior and tough words. It is for my good. Now I'm ready to improve. I accept you the way you are, and now I forgive you completely the way you are for everything. I am really sorry for whatever I have done, whatever I have said, whoever I have behaved, all my hurt. I'm sorry for that. Please forgive me for all my mistakes I did in past. Thank you very much for whatever you have done. Thank you for understanding me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for teaching me. Thank you for guiding me. I'm really blessed. I'm really thankful. I'm really grateful. Because of you only, I am healing. Because I know tomorrow time, when in future I will be at that position, maybe I'll understand you better. Right now, maybe I'm just looking my point of view. So I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you very much for understanding and teaching me. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your patience. You are trying to understand me. You have patience for my behavior. Please forgive me for all my mistakes. Thank you for always being there and supporting me, guiding me, protecting me. I love you the way you are. I accept you the way you are. And I respect you the way you are. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take a deep breath. Okay. So this is a one time we have done the Ho'oponopono. This is how you need to do multiple time the Ho'oponopono practice for better relationship. Try to understand. No in-law want her daughter-in-law or son should be separated. No, never. Every mother want to protect them. Every father want the family should be stay together. Try to understand their point of view. Otherwise, when you will be grown up and when you will be at their place, then you realize and they will be only doing the regrets and guilt. So avoid it. Try to see their point of view. because whatever they are doing currently, it's for your betterment, for your improvement. Okay, let's do now. We'll move for the next technique, which is EFT. Get ready. Simple way. Here, start tapping and repeat with me. Even though I have a lot of anger about my in-laws, father-in-law and mother-in-law, I am very much angry on them. In spite of that, I deeply and completely love, respect, and honor myself exactly the way I am. Now I forgive my father-in-law and my mother-in-law for whatever they have done or not done. Even though I have that frustration, irritation about my in-law family, whatever they have done, I feel that so much irritation for that. I feel all that resentment about them. In spite of that, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself exactly the way I am. I forgive them completely for whatever they have done. I forgive everyone who involved in this feeling. Even though they don't understand me, they don't support me, they are just always judging me, blaming me, complaining me. In spite of that, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself exactly the way I am. I love, honor, and respect them the way I am. I forgive them completely. I forgive my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, and the entire in-law family. I free myself now. Take a deep breath. Release. Do the tapping here. Whatever anger I was holding about my in-laws, I'm releasing right away. All my frustration about my in-laws, I'm releasing right away. All my helplessness, all my anger, why they are not understanding me, why I'm not able to do something, all such kind of angers I'm releasing. All the negative emotions, all the negative memories, whatever they have said, done about that, I'm ready to release now. Releasing that negative memory now. All my fear of not being accepted by them, all that irritation there, why they are not accepting me, not understanding me, release. All that approval and appreciation which I am looking but they are not giving, the need of that release. All the judgment I have about my in-laws and my father-in-law, mother-in-law, I'm judging them, that judgment's release. I am releasing all the arguments and my point of view and not understanding their point of view, that misunderstanding, I am releasing completely now. Whatever anything is remain in our relationship that is causing this anger, resentment, release. All my negative thought patterns and behavior, release. Whatever negative memory I was holding, release. Negative emotions and thought patterns about them, release. All my negative beliefs about my in-law and family is released. All that negative emotional patterns which I was holding, release. Any negativity I hold about anyone, I'm ready to release now. Release. Even though whatever negativity I was holding so far, that remaining negativity I'm ready to release now. Misunderstanding, judgment, anger, frustration, irritation about them, I am ready to release now. A deep breath. Now check how are you feeling. So EFT and Ho'oponopono combination works magically. Do whatever you are doing with your heart, just with the intention you want to heal. If you don't have an intention in and you do it, you will not get any benefit. But doing it repeatedly with the good intention that you wanted to have a very good relation will create a magic. Okay, so with this, I would like you to practice multiple times for both the things and see the result, magical things, what will happen, how the relationship will improve. Now it's the time for the magical activity every day we do. First, I would like to share one story. There was one daughter-in-law. She went to one sage and she said, my mother-in-law is very bad lady and I am really fed up with this relation. I am too much angry. I wanted to teach her lesson. I don't want she in my life. So the sage said, okay, I'll give you one poison, slow poison. Take this and whenever you are giving a tea or coffee to her, just put slowly a small portion of it. But one condition, whenever you will be give it to her, pour your love to her. Give that love, unconditional love, and imagine her unconditional love and serve that tea to her with the unconditional love. Just respect her, honor her from the bottom of your heart. And then this tea you will give. That is the daughter has started. The daughter-in-law has practicing that. Then what happened? 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, she's doing it. Whenever she's adding that small part of poison, she's imagining how her mother-in-law is very good for her, how she's taking care, how good lady she is. She's imagining that, and then she is giving that tea. Slowly, slowly, her perspective got changed about her mother-in-law. And she started suddenly feeling loved about her, unconditional love. And then she realized, oh, how she is behaving really good. She went to the sage and she said, my mother-in-law has completely changed. And she is loving me so much. I don't want her to let go. I don't want her to die. Now I have finished this half of whatever poison you have given. And it has been 1 month. Now I'm worried about her. Please save her. Then what the sage has said, don't worry, lady. That was not a poison. That was just and supplement I have given to her from made of some leaf or with that. It will only cure her immunity. Like it will give her a boost in her immunity. And suddenly then the daughter-in-law realizes, oh, so why this change happened? What change actually? The change happened in her daughter-in-law's perspective. She started thinking the positive side of her mother-in-law. And this change happened. And it is possible only when you try to see positive in other person. So make sure you try to see positivity in other person's now. Okay. I want to ask you a few questions now. What would you feel like if you are spending a time with your in-laws, if you have very good relation? Or imagine if you have a wonderful harmony in your relationship, then how in your extended family, how your life will be? What will you do differently to feel that truly love and respect for them? Think on this. Okay. Every morning when you wake up, I want you to do one thing. In a day, at least once, just sit quietly, close your eyes, and send your love and blessings to your in-law and their entire family. Have an argument and dispute with. Just send them love. Send them. Pray for them, at least for a minute, for their health, relationship, career, money, good area. Just send love and blessing, a good blessings to them. And just see the what difference you will feel after some days. I want you to comment below. I choose to peace and love with my in-laws. And what action you will be doing every day. How you will be feeling grateful to your in-law family. Write down in a comment. I want you to mention that. Your journey will inspire others. And don't forget to visit my website one for free ebooks, free courses, free consultation. Take the benefit of it. And also make sure to visit my YouTube channel. There are a lot of healing videos are there, absolutely free. A lot of courses are there, absolutely free. And the podcast for job search and career related things, absolutely free. Go and take all the benefits of it. Enjoy it. Tomorrow, day 13, we will be healing very important relation that will be healing the relationship with your relatives, maybe uncle, aunts, cousin, those kind of extended family relations. Okay. So don't miss it. Be on time, practice with it, heal in each and every relationship, whatever you have. Achha, you can join my community as well. In my community, I do healing every day at 8 p.m. for all of them. And there is subconscious programming. Every day it is free. You just go and attend it. See the result people are sharing in that group. You will surely like it. So join the community with the like-minded people. Do practice with me and enjoy all the free healings, whatever I am offering. Thank you very much everyone for practicing with me, for giving your love to my videos, showering your love to my audiobooks. Thank you very much for joining my courses, paid, free, all type of courses. I'm really grateful all of you. You are giving me opportunity to heal, to serve you. And I'm really liking it, enjoying it. Thank you very much from the bottom of the heart.